Hi, welcome to our kitchen. My name is Lauren Fallmeyer with University of Missouri Extension, and today we are going to be preparing a fresh strawberry and spinach salad. This recipe comes together very quick and easy, and at the end of our recipe formatted version, I'm going to show you a couple ways to kind of step this up to make it an entire meal. Strawberries are in season in Missouri from late April into about early June, depending upon where you're at within our state. When you're looking for fresh strawberries, you want them to have a nice red color all over. You want them to obviously smell like strawberries, but also for fresh strawberries, you want them to have healthy leaves on top still. This one still has a part of the flower on it. But most importantly, we're looking for taste, because size is going to vary depending upon the crop, the variety, all of those good things. I'm going to start with the dressing first because it is so simple. So I like to make my homemade salad dressings in mason jars. It's easy to get your kids involved when making homemade dressings just because you have a jar, it's contained, they can shake it and have a lot of fun. I'm going to add in a half a cup of sugar. It sounds like a lot, but this salad is really big. Then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of poppy seeds. And I have my liquid measuring cup here, and I'm going to put in a half a cup of olive oil or avocado oil, whichever kind of carrier oil you like. I prefer one of those two. All right, in the jar goes the apple cider vinegar, and we're going to put a quarter cup of it in. As with all of our recipes with seasonal and simple, we always advise to salt and pepper to taste when you are cooking. So I'm going to put a nice little couple pinches of salt in. I like to use a fresh ground black pepper, so I'm going to just put my pepper mill directly in the jar and give it a few spins. And then the recipe calls for about a quarter teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm going to put a couple little shakes of W sauce here. And then just like that, we're going to take and shake it. Okay, dressing is ready to go. I'm going to let it settle for a moment. I already pre-rinsed and washed some fresh baby spinach. I've pre-sliced some strawberries, and I'm going to finish doing that. One thing that you want to keep in mind when you are slicing fruits, vegetables of any kind, you want to make sure that you are leaving your fruits and vegetables on a flat surface as you're cutting them. It helps keep you from getting cut, honestly. I'm going to go ahead and go into the bowl here. So in go our strawberries. See, it's so pretty. So when I'm dressing a salad, and that's any salad in particular, I don't always just dump all of the dressing in at one time. I kind of layer the dressing so that I can make sure that I get all parts of the salad nice and coated. And then I have some tongs, and I'm just gonna lightly toss this, because the idea is that we're not trying to make the salad like bogged down with dressing. We really want to just have a nice coating of dressing on the leaves themselves. So you can see here that the leaves are nice and coated. I still have quite a bit of dressing left. I'm gonna take our spinach, add it into our bowl. Make sure we get all those beautiful strawberries on top. So pretty, so colorful. But now we're gonna dress it up just a smidge more, okay? So we could turn this basic side dish into a full meal if we want to. So I have some chopped pecan pieces, so I'm gonna add that to the top of our salad for a little more crunch. I've got some feta cheese that I'm gonna add in. Kind of messy. What's cooking if you're not getting messy, right? And then I have beef strips here. We totally cheated and got these from the grocery store. They're just steakhouse seasoned, but again, it's adding a nice amount of protein to our strawberry salad and kind of makes a really impressive meal. And just like that, we have our strawberry spinach salad with a couple additions, of course. So if you like this recipe, make sure that you give it a shot at home. Give us a shout in the comments, but let us know what you think, and we would love to share more recipes like this with you in the future. So let us know what you think of our strawberry salad recipe, and for MU Extension, I'm Lauren Fallmeyer. We'll see you later.